Hey everyone, we will be discussing the Cubot X90 today. You will be astonished by this inexpensive innovation. It contrasts sharply with other smartphones in its class, thanks to its fashionable appearance, which is evocative of flagship or even mid-range phones. The Cubot X90 has a trendy marble pattern on the back cover, and comes in two eye-catching colors, green and black. Covering it with a case or bumper almost seems like a waste because of how unique the appearance is. The surface texture on the rear of the phone provides a solid grip and keeps it from slipping out of your hands. The rounded display borders give the Cubot X90's front section a contemporary appearance as well. It has a 6.67-inch LED display that offers excellent clarity and detail, with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display's 20:9 aspect ratio and 395 ppi make it perfect for working with graphics and watching videos. Its 120Hz refresh rate, which is uncommon for this market and offers an incredibly smooth interface ideal for gamers and multimedia fans, is one of its most notable qualities. With a maximum brightness of 1500 nits, the display offers exceptional visibility, even in direct sunlight. The Helio G99 chipset, which was constructed utilizing 6nm technology, powers the Cubot X90. 8 cores total, 2 Cortex-A76 cores for excellent performance, and 6 Cortex-A55 cores for energy efficiency. It can run demanding apps in contemporary games, but only at the lowest settings. Graphics processing is done by the Mali G57MC2 GPU. With 16 gigs of DDR4X RAM, the gadget ensures outstanding multitasking and fast system performance for daily use. There is more than enough room on the 256 gigs of integrated storage for files, programs, and entertainment. With its measurements of 162mm for height, 74mm for breadth, and 9.4mm for thickness, the smartphone is small enough to be used comfortably with one hand. Although it weighs 207 grams, which isn't very light, it makes up for it with a solid, dependable feeling. Using LTE and HSPA technologies, the smartphone provides data transmission speeds and supports 2 nano SIM cards. Its inability to handle 5G, however, may be a disadvantage for those desiring the newest network technology. The gadget has Bluetooth 5.2, NFC for digital payments, and Wi-Fi 5 for dependable and quick wireless connectivity. The Cubot X90 features a 4-module primary camera array, including a 100-megapixel f1.9 main sensor, a 16-megapixel sensor featuring an aperture of f1.9, a macro lens with 5 megapixels and a depth sensor to create effects for portraiture. The ultra-wide module performs admirably first class, while the primary camera produces passable images with good color rendering. The portrait mode produces crisp, accurate colored photographs. It works well. The camera has some difficulty in low light, although it can still produce usable images. With an f2.5 aperture and 32 megapixels of sensor, the front camera can capture detailed selfies. Low light, however, can cause images to become grainy and lose detail. With a 5100 mAh battery, the Cubot X90 may be used for extended periods of time, without requiring regular recharging. With its 33-watt fast wired charging capabilities, you may swiftly replenish the battery's capacity. You can get through the day and even into the next on a full charge. There are benefits and drawbacks to the Cubot X90. Its display is its best feature, but it also has a 100-megapixel camera, a long battery life, and an attractive appearance. The absence of a 3.5mm headphone connector and memory expansion are significant limitations, and the processor itself could be improved. This phone can be a terrific choice if you're not a picky user and don't want support for sophisticated games. If you think this review was useful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and let us know in the comments if you use Cubot devices. Have a nice day and God bless you.